an object falls freely from a building, and after 10 seconds it reached the ground. Its velocity the moment it hits the ground equals what? Okay, for free fall, by the way, for free fall, we know what are the equations. Equations are the same, just we change what? Acceleration into gravity. So what they are Vf equals Vi plus gt. And also we have Vf squared equals Vi squared plus 2at. And here we have d. And here we have d equals Vi t plus half a t squared. But here, this one, we change it into gravity. When the object is going up or down under the gravity, we change the acceleration to be what? Gravity. But if the object is going in a straight line horizontally, we change this gravity by the acceleration, which is a. But the same equation, it remains, and also it is what? In general, it is acceleration, whether is it vertically or horizontally. So here now, an object falls freely. What we need to know, when an object falls freely here, always the initial velocity is 0, always. And the gravity is positive because it's going down into the direction of the what? Of the gravity. So that means it's 9.8 positive. And here, what is given now in this question now? If you go to analyze this question now to know how can we solve it. An object falls freely from a building and after 10 seconds. So anyway, an object is false, so that means initial velocity is 0. And you write gravity equals what? 9.8. If it is not written, it can be 9.8, it can be 10. It can be rounded to 10. Okay, so you have gravity and I have initial, and you have what? And you have the time is 2 seconds. So you have now 3 quantities given for me. The question now is its velocity the moment it hits the ground. So they are asking about what? Vf. They are asking about Vf. So that means how many quantities now as you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 quantities. What formula of these ones? It gives me the lengths or the relationship between these 4. As you see, it is this one. Right? Why not this one? Because this one now it has distance, and this one has a distance, and I don't have distance in the question. So that means I choose this one now and I do it. So it is Vf equals Vi plus Gt. Okay, now what is Vf? Vf is the one that we need to find. It equals Vi. Vi is 0 given, right? Plus gravity, because the gravity now, the object is going down, so gravity is going to be 9.8 times the time. What is the time? The time here, as you see, it is what? 10 seconds. So you write here times 10. So now, as you see, Vf, it equals 9.8 times 10. It's going to be what? 98 meters per second. So you go to choose 98 meters per second. This is one way by using formulas. But you can use another way to solve these questions mentally to have with no time. Look, if an object is going down, keep that in mind. Its velocity increases by 10 every second. Keep it in mind. If the object is going down, as we know, as long as the acceleration is 10 or around 10, that means when the object is going down, that means its velocity changes by 10 every single second. So that means it increases by 10 every single second. So that means the first second, when it is at the beginning, when Vi is 0, then after the first second, it's going to be 10. Second, it's going to be what? 20, then 30, then 40, then 50. So that means after 10 seconds, that means 10 times 10 is going to be around 100. So it's 98. The same thing for the opposite. If it goes up, that means the velocity decreases by 10 in every single minute, in every single second. It decreases by around 10.